Hello everyone, if you're facing this error in Roblox, teleport failed, server is no longer available with the error code 771, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix that annoying error on your Roblox. So this error has a weird solution. You're just going to keep spamming the join button on that server. So let's say you're getting that error on this server. What you're going to do is you're going to keep on pressing join again and again on the server, and eventually it will let you connect to that server. And if it does, then great. But if it didn't, then you can open up your start menu. You can right here run, go into app data, go into local, find the folder called Roblox on here, and just delete it from here. And then you're going to go into roaming. You're going to find Roblox here as well, delete it from here as well. And after that, you can go ahead and restart your computer. And now you can go on to roblox.com. And when you try to join that same server, you'll see that you won't get that error anymore. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.